McClenny Mosley and Associates is a first-party insurance litigation firm who strives to get our clients the maximum return in the quickest amount of time.
So I represent property owners against insurance companies. So what we do is when an insurance company wrongfully denies a person's insurance claim or they underpay it, we step in and we make sure that the insurance company holds up their contractual obligation.
We have clients as far west as Hawaii and as east as Florida, although our 5 primary states are New Mexico, Texas, Colorado, Oklahoma, and Florida.
I would say the #1 piece of advice in this industry is that insurance companies are for-profit. So at the end of the day, their shareholders are more important than their insureds. So never feel bad about speaking up and saying that you didn't get what was rightfully yours. And sometimes it takes an attorney.
Adjusting an insurance claim is a burdensome process. It's a full-time job, and here at McClenny Mosley and Associates, that's what we're here to do. We're here to take the weight off your shoulders and make sure that your claim gets adjusted appropriately.
So the next step is to allow us at McClenny Mosley and Associates to provide you a free consultation, and we can advise you as to your rights, what your insurance policy includes, and whether or not we think that we can help you against your insurance company. And that is a no-cost service, and if we don't recover additional funds from your insurance company, you don't owe us anything.
If your insurance adjuster tells you there's nothing more he can do and that your claim is being closed, give me a call. I'll fight for your rights.